question. My space gets limited sun. Are there any vegetables I can grow?
That's a great question. Here at the farm at the Arb, we actually have a demonstration of 3 different raised beds that are almost completely in the shade, so there's no direct sunlight in the bed I'm currently sitting on. We are growing right now some carrots right here. We're going to sow some lettuce seeds, and then we also have some bok choy. These have done really well. They've all been direct seeded. On some of the other beds, we've had success growing beets, lettuce, Swiss chard, we had watercress. We've been growing green onions in each one of the beds. There's so many options that are beyond just lettuce for you to grow and be successful in the shade. So in these beds, not only are they in full shade, we've also been succession planting, which just means when one crop is done, we immediately reseed it with a new one. So that's why we're gonna put lettuce here. We had just pulled out this morning some peas that we grew for pea shoots, so just to have little stems, but we let them go and they formed full pods and they were absolutely delicious. So these are in a raised bed, but you do not necessarily need to grow in a raised bed. So just remember, if you have shade, you can still grow great food.
Ask the Arboretum Experts has been brought to you by the Minnesota Landscape Arboretum in Chaska, dedicated to welcoming, informing, and inspiring all through outstanding displays, protected natural areas, horticultural research, and education.